Hi guys, this video today is called the nail changer. Okay now guys, we have here a shoe, to be more exact a clog, with nails on the bottom. The shoe have multiple sizes in one. We have sharp and flat nails in different sizes. So it's what I'm talking about. We have 10, 15 and 30 millimeters in sharp. We have 15, 25, 35 millimeters in flat. So this for all floors that you need for the moment. You can order the nails in different size at my online shop NIVILLI.com. My name is Will. I'm from Heidelberg, Germany. I invented this product to make your work life more comfortable and easier. I will unbox now the NIVILLI Work and show you how easy to change the nails on this shoe. So guys, let's go. So you open the box, how every box goes open. So you find in the first security rules and rules for the first nail change and how the sizes are working. So please read this. There's really, the safety rules are really important. This is a tool guys, not a play stuff or something like that. So please keep this away from childs. You got your NIVILLIs out. Simple thing. So I will show you how easy you can this is just for the first time. When you change your nails the first time, so you need a plier. That's all just for the first time. And so you will start. Just 2-3 times is enough. And then you will make this with another one. So I'll show you now. So the finger is enough. And there we go. I think now is enough. You can make with the hands. The nails come with the first safety cord, special thing. The nails have a nano spray on it for the first time, so you can clean very easy. So guys, you see it? It's a M6 thread, very easy thing. Now we got the nails with 40 in sharp. And then that was. The next time you just mix with your hand. So guys, we are finished. There is your NIVILLI for another undergrowth, for another floor in sharp. Now you have secure tool for leveling, flooring and epoxying. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time and your interest. More videos coming soon. Have a good time and stay safe.